Now, everything in the world is driven by video content, and behind this is the contribution of AI video generators. So, which AI tool delivers the best output? Hailuo AI. Yes, when it comes to realism, pixel quality, movement, camera control, and everything else. If we evaluate all aspects, Hailuo AI is top-notch. Now, let's take a look at Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI is not only video generator. You can get high quality of text to video, text to image, image to video, AI cinema, AI chat, AI voice. Okay, first of all, talk about image to video. Here's really good example right here. Father hugging his son and crying. The emotion is so realistic. The pain is visible in his eyes. Another one is they walk confidently in slow motion. See, the leader has a serious and determined expression like Thomas Shelby. Just sign up. You're going to get 1,100 free credits. About pricing, here it is. Click video. Select image to video. Give an image of a baby here. My prompt is here. Slightly smiling, keeping the face still, slow motion, cinematic, beautiful. Here I select image to video 1 basic model. Here you can make max 3 videos. Click generate. It will cut 30 credits per video. Alright, the result really make me happy. Here I am giving a detective image. Now giving a prompt. Now here you will get 2 more model. Select this director one. See, lots of options. Debut, freedom. Right cycling, left. Upward tilt, walking. Stage 1. Here you will get free selection. This director one where camera movement is added to make the video more cinematic. Create. This is a very cinematic experience that we're looking at here. Okay, now give another image. I am giving a portrait character. Okay, just give a little prompt. This model is live character. Which gives 2D illustration result. We are done. Really, he is damn confident. Here, most interesting and unique part is subject reference model. You have to put a face image. Then give prompt for video generation. It will create the video with that exact face. Let's watch the demo. Here is a face. Here is a prompt. First is about this girl in a rainy street. Select consistent character model. Click generate. It will cut 45 credits. Boom. It means you can generate your own video, plus you can generate consistent characters also. No need of training your model. Standing confidently at the center of a conference stage. Reading her book. Sitting at an office desk. Date night. So it is a winning tool. Second, talk about text to image. Okay, just click create image. Now give a prompt. I want an image of Black Panther in night. Model is basic one. I am giving 2 quantity. Select the ratio. Wait for a sec. Okay, done. The result is really mind-blowing. Third, talk about text to video. Here is simple. Just give a prompt. I am typing for a vibrant garden. Here you get 2 type of model. Director 1 is with camera movement. The second one is basic. Okay, now I will generate with basic one. Oh, the result is amazing. Now with the same prompt, I am using director model. Now insert camera movement. Here I am selecting Freedom 1. Okay, the movement is added here. Okay, the result is here. Here is with cinematic movement. The basic one, the cinematic one. So you can see the difference. Fourth, about AI voice. Here you can create lifelike speech. Just give your dialogue here. I am saying a 2-line poem. Here you get default voice artist. Select your language like English. Select gender. Select age group. Even you can give expression here. They have 6 different voices. I am giving happy. Okay, generate now. Here is result.
Tick tock, tick tock. Life is counting down on your internal clock.
Fifth, about AI chat. Here, you can chat with Hailuo AI, which is similar of ChatGPT. Here I am searching for. Suggest me 10 books that will change a life. See, the result is here. Okay, more interesting thing is Hailuo AI is providing full guideline here how to use Hai properly. You will get prompt guideline also. Really cool. Some unique specialty of Hailuo AI. 1. Capable to show full emotional expression. 2. This tool has perfect cinematic explosion effects. 3. Hailuo AI can seamlessly blend the characters from one image into the other. 4. Hailuo AI has AI superpower. Come here, text to video. Here, give prompt. In the background, there's a green screen and a fireball floating in the air. Click generate. Now download it. Now in editing software, just remove the background. Now shoot a video of summoning effects with gesture. Drag it in the editing software. Make simple adjustment. Okay, the superpower video is ready. This is all the magic of Hailuo AI, where you can generate movies, commercials, promotional videos, short videos, and so on. So what's your opinion about Hailuo AI? Comment below. Today, AI Explorer is signing off. To get more AI-related videos, subscribe please. Take care.